Why did he call the meeting in Delhi? And is there a possible change? Why are you saying that he will change Bhagwant Mann? I just want to know that.
I'm just because it's going to be an existential crisis for Kejriwal. He is losing his ground. He is losing his, arrogance. Now he wants to pull
So
rugs
that's good
under
na
the
if he's
Punjab
losing his
CM.
arrogance. ये तो अच्छी बात है. If someone loses his
Uh,
arrogance.
but actually, when a dictator tries to lose his
Okay.
arrogance, he always tries to dismantle his own colleagues.
Okay.
And this is what Kejriwal is all about. He's always
Okay.
tried to harm
No,
his
no, you
own
have not
people.
answered me because I played the bites of two leaders. Let me just play out bite of Swati Maliwal also, and then I'll go to Dr. Nimi Rastogi.
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जब से दिल्ली में हारे हैं तब से शायद उन्होंने पंजाब की तरफ रुख करने की प्लानिंग करी है अपनी जो राजनीति है उसको ज़िंदा रखने के लिए। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने बहुत अर्जेंटली एक पंजाब के सारे एमएलएज़ की मीटिंग भी बुलाई है क्योंकि पंजाब के एमएलएज़ में इस बात को लेकर कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी कहीं पंजाब तो नहीं आ रहे, काफ़ी गुस्सा भी है, काफ़ी नाराज़गी भी है और काफ़ी अनरेस्ट भी है।
Okay. So Dr. Nimi Rastogi, a lot of people are saying that he's going to Punjab because he's lost elections in Delhi. So can you just in affirmative tell me, is it a hogwash? Is it happening or it's not happening?
Karthik, it is not happening. We are intact. We are strong. We are a strong opposition in Delhi. We are a strong, stable party in Punjab. And we are out there to expand our wing and focus on our work. Unlike Congress, that is completely bankrupt and, conspiracy theorists write script writer. And maybe the psychologist also, they can understand, what goes in the mind of other people. I'm sorry to say these are very frivolous theories. None of them has any iota of truth or reality in it. And how do you believe detractors like Swati Maliwal? I mean, this is like the ground where she will thrive in bashing Arvind Kejriwal. So I would rather ignore and brush it with a sense of relief that, like these people have got some job now. Arvind Kejriwal has been on their target always. And to Congress, I would
Out,
like to say,
I want to
please
put this data
get
out,
your
even if.
home right.
Okay.
Please get your home right. Please concentrate on your Sangathan. Don't try to
I
poke
really
your nose
wish
into the internal
I really
affairs
wish
Okay.
of
Okay.
Aam Aadmi Party. I mean, do something else.
Mr.
Try-
Malik, let me go across to Mr. Malik. Mr. Malik, if you look at these numbers, sir, if you look at these numbers, I don't think anything is changing in Chandigarh. I'm saying it's a very clean mandate. Nothing is happening. Do you think it's a storm in a teacup?
I was just trying to find out a couple of days back. I had a local news channel. This is something by the name of Lok Awaaz TV, which is from Punjab. So it's quite
Achha.
followed up on, and it's the same kind of material where Arvind Kejriwal was giving interviews left, right, and center when it was coming to Delhi elections.
ਮਾਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਜੀ ਇਹ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਭੱਜ ਗਏ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਦੱਸ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਇੰਨੇ ਜਵਾਕ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਕਪੂਰਥਲਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਜੇ ਇੱਕ ਮੂਹਰੇ ਗੇਟ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਵੀ ਗੇਟ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਕਿ
Can you just translate it for me?
ਰਣਜੀਤ ਬਿੱਟੂ ਦੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ
Can you just translate it for our viewers?
ਤੇ ਅਮਿਤ ਸ਼ਾਹ
So,
ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਗਰਾਊਂਡ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ
this is a 20-minute odd video.
Oh, so what's the long and short of it?
Long and short of it is the Kapurthala house raid by the election commission and the other features which indicate that Kapurthala house was totally occupied by the Delhi brigade of the Aam Aadmi Party, and Bhagwant Mann was never happy with it. The second thing that is charged in this video is about the MP house. The third thing that is charged is about the placements of various confidants of
The
Arvind
internal fissures
Kejriwal
and
as Punjab
are you saying
controllers.
there are internal fissures in Delhi app and Punjab app? Is that what you're saying?
There, see, whatever there is there in Delhi, Punjab government has certain real estate, right? The same ways like they have, they created a Sheesh Mahal. Now, since the Sheesh Mahal is not there, Kapurthala house happens to be a big complex. The Kapurthala house was captured by the Delhi brigade so that the Punjab functionaries do not get the, access to it. There was just one small little
Okay.
place for Bhagwant Mann. That internal fight, you see, it is not about the house because house is not going to be their ownership, but it is about who controls it. And that control battle is going on. Now that Arvind Kejriwal has lost, and the point where he is trying to have,
I got your
let's
point.
say, his secretary who was here accused of hitting out at Swati Maliwal, or people like Raghav Chadha being given plump positions into Punjab by taking
Okay.
care that yes, they do not let
Okay.
Bhagwant Mann independently work.
Okay.
They have a stranglehold on him, and
Okay.
he
I
to
got the
operate.
point. I
Space.
got the
And he's
point of
just
your
trying
narrative, sir.
to take the opportunity to
Okay.
create that space.